Believe in the magic of new beginnings. Nature teaches us that every day is a chance to grow and shine. Nature is the art in itself. Nature serves as a profound sanctuary. It offers unique healing for the body, mind, and soul. Nature is wonderful, peaceful, a peaceful place that helps us feel better. When we spend time outside, our bodies relax, our minds become clear. The fresh air, sunlight, and quiet sounds of the natural world act like a gentle medicine for our heart and soul. Nature is the beauty that we should see within ourselves.